turning. Hobbits. Hobbits have been living and farming in the four farthings of the Shire for many hundreds of years, quite content to ignore and be ignored by the world of the big folk. In fact, it has been remarked by some that Hobbits' only real passion is for food. But where our hearts truly lie is in peace, quiet, and good tilled earth. For all Hobbits share a love of things that grow. And yes, no doubt to others our ways seem quaint. But today of all days, it is brought home to me. It is no bad thing to celebrate a simple life.
Down from the door.
Where are you off to? Don't stop, I'm already late. Late for what? I'm going on an adventure.
I want to see mountains again. Mountains, Gandalf. And then find somewhere quiet where I can finish my book.
This is it. This is what? If I take one more step, it'll be the farthest away from home I've ever been. Come on. It is special. It's a little bit of home.
What about breakfast?
You've already had it.
We've had one, yes. What about second breakfast? Don't think he knows about second breakfast, Pip. What about elevensies? Luncheon, afternoon tea, dinner, supper. He knows about them, does he?
Lambus bread. More lambus bread.